Kingdom monera. Kingdom monera basically comprises of the bacteria which were first discovered by a scientist called Leeuwenhoek. The main character of Kingdom monera is that it comprises of prokaryotic organization with circular DNA folded to form a nucleoid. Nucleoid which is not a proper nucleus, but the DNA, the circular DNA is simply coiled around, and that represents the genetic material of the bacteria. The bacteria, which were among the first living organisms which emerged on the Earth's surface, and therefore they have been mostly living in anaerobic conditions, especially the primitive bacteria, and they show both photosynthetic, autotrophic kind of nutrition, or they show chemosynthetic photosynthesis, which is again synthesis of chemicals from inorganic substances. They have a mucilage covering over their body, and most of the membrane-bound cell organelles like endoplasmic reticulum or Golgi apparatus are absent in case of the organisms which are represented in the Kingdom monera. The Kingdom monera basically comprises of two major groups of bacteria: the archaebacteria and the eubacteria. The eubacteria are the true bacteria, whereas the archaebacteria are the primitive bacteria which were first present on the Earth's surface when life had just started emerging on the Earth. When the Earth was being formed, these archaebacteria were there. Therefore, they are very comfortable in all kind of harsh habitats. And for the same reason, the archaebacteria are also called living fossils. Why do we call them living fossils? Because they were present when the Earth was being formed, and they are present even today in certain hot springs or certain kind of extreme environments on the Earth's surface. The archaebacteria have been basically classified on the basis of the habitats which they represent. So there are three major divisions in this particular archaebacteria based on the habitats. The first division is of halophils. The second division of methanogens. And the third division of thermoacidophils.